And as the coronavirus wreaks havoc on businesses across the country, many of those owners are facing challenges in managing their money. I do want to now bring in the CEO of the online business banking platform Azlo, Peake, to talk more about the shift to digital banking. Hi, Cameron. Thanks so much for joining us today.
Hi, thanks for having me.
As entrepreneurs face pressure amid the coronavirus shutdowns that are sweeping around the country, how can a shift to digital banking help them and their business?
Sure. Well, we're seeing a couple of major moves there. The first is around physical health. And so we all know that the concerns that we're seeing, whether it's shelter in place or just concerns around your health. And so digital banking, we've seen major calls broadly to offer banking services through digital platforms from the communities at large.
All right, and Cameron, many digital platforms are seeing an increase in activity amid these shutdowns happening across the country, whether that be food delivery services or video conferencing platforms. How do digital banking platforms fit into that shift that we're seeing among consumers and business owners right now?
Yes, so what we're seeing today is that consumers aren't wanting to go down and visit physical branches, whether that's around opening up new accounts or whether that's actually transacting day to day. And so digital banking platforms are able to address that directly. The other thing that we're seeing with digital is, we at Azlo and more broadly in market, act like technology companies. And so we're able to be much more adaptive to what we're seeing in market as we look at new products. So, for example, unsurprisingly, we're seeing greater requests for access to credit, access to more immediate funds availability, and access to resources, whether that's educational or networking, to be able to support them. And so we're able to pivot and address those concerns much more directly. For example, we have a series of guides and resources for digital entrepreneurs to help manage the uncertainty and confusion during this time. And we also have some services coming out shortly to help access cash flow much more quickly.
Your company, Azlo, offers a unique platform for business owners to do all of their banking activity online. What makes Azlo unique compared to working with a traditional bank?
Sure. So we have 0 physical branches. So oftentimes, you as a small business owner have to go down to a branch. It may take up to an hour and a half to open that account. You can do it from your home directly. More generally, we're built for small businesses from the ground up. We've been business owners and founders within Azlo, and we know who we're building for. And so to that end, we have a free digital banking product. We know that oftentimes if you're pre-revenue or in your very early stages, you can't afford to pay for extra fees or pay to just maintain money. So that free product we know is really important. We also offer all of our products in a bundled way as part of kind of a one-stop shop. And so what you can do is access your bank account, all of the payments you need, invoicing, and we also connect to the tools that you use day to day, whether that's tools for payment processing like Square, Stripe, or PayPal, right, to take merchant transactions. And so having that in a one-stop shop really allows you to get started and go as a new business and connect with really relevant tools that you may use day to day.
All right, Cameron Peake, the CEO of Azlo, and joining us to talk about the shift to digital banking amid the coronavirus pandemic. If you want to learn some more about her company, go ahead and visit azlo.com. You can see that below on your screen. Thanks so much for coming on the show today, Cameron.
Excellent. Thanks for having me.
Want to see more videos like this? Click on the link below and subscribe to One America News on YouTube, and call your cable provider and kindly demand that One America News is added to your lineup. Call and subscribe today.